Hi, I'm Ben from Impulse Wireless, here with another unboxing video, and today it's the Teltonika RUT241 4G LTE industrial router. This device offers 4G, Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity. Let's have a look inside the box. The box is very compact and space efficient. Inside the box you get a quick start guide, 2 mobile and 1 Wi-Fi antenna, Cat5 Ethernet cable, 240 volt power adapter or appropriate power adapter for your location depending on where you've bought the device, the RUT241 cellular router itself, and underneath the router we've got nano and micro SIM card adapters, so regardless of what size SIM card you've got, you can secure inside the SIM slot of the router, and we've got a SIM ejector tool. So the router has 2 LAN ports which can be configured one as LAN and one as WAN, or both as LAN. If one's configured as WAN, we can actually do failover between the cellular and the wide area networks. We've got a cellular SIM card slot with signal strength indicators. We've got power socket, 2 mobile antenna ports for diversity, factory reset button, and the Wi-Fi antenna port. These antenna ports can be used with external antennas if you need that for better coverage, say on the outside of your building or vehicle. The thing I love most in general about the Teltonika routers is the ability to save a default configuration. So when we make a mistake in our config or changes and need to go back to a default setting, we don't have to go all the way back to factory defaults. We can go back to our enterprise default that we've already set. That's really helpful for saving time and hassle. So that's what comes in the box with the Teltonika RUT241 industrial cellular router. Thanks for watching.